Alright, show me what the most annoying sound in the world is. Okay.
The most of the sound is the bloating.
Do you like that noise?
Hmm?
What do you use it for?
We use it for customers.
Customers?
Huh?
Show me how you do it. Thank you.